We got a call about 9 puppies that were born next to a river. It was a cold day in January. The temperatures that night dropped below 10. When we got there, it was snowing and it was so cold and we were freezing. I cannot imagine how they must have felt. They were living in an improvised box. It felt very unfair that they had to be born there. We found 4 of the puppies, and despite the conditions, they were still wiggling their tails and they were happy to see us. We took them and went to search for the other 6. It was heartbreaking to see them like that. In that week only we got 56 puppies from the streets. About 5 minutes from that place we found the missing pups. They were hiding under a container. They were very lucky that we got there before the dog catchers, but the lives of these dogs shouldn't rely on luck. We reunited the family. The mother was very scared. We brought her to the shelter and took the puppies to a foster home where they lived until they were fully vaccinated and allowed to travel to the UK to their forever families. They are now all adopted and they are very loved, and we follow everyone on Instagram and we see updates and we see them grow, and I feel very happy that we could help them and change their lives. But we can't do anything without your help. So please, if you can donate and help us save more animals that need our help. If you cannot donate, please share and like this video, comment your thoughts and subscribe to our channel.